This is the Huawei newly released MatePad Edge. You can see it is the combination of the pad and PC, two in one. So here is the Windows system. You can swipe with the four fingers to the HarmonyOS, native HarmonyOS, and you can also swipe to the two modes for the PAX mode and the tablet mode and computer mode. So there are two modes. So now switching to the computer PC mode. So the softwares installed on the computer mode and tablet mode can be shared so that you can search for those kind of same softwares for both modes. So it's very good. And also, there is 卓一通 or and 出警 easy upload and 卓一通 so that you can install the Android APK, the Android app on the tablet mode. So which equals to three systems, three OS. So you can have the Android, HarmonyOS, native HarmonyOS, and the Windows. So three systems. Because of the container, the Joy-Tone Easy Abroad is they are the containers, and this is the prices, 1T or something. It's the container running on the HarmonyOS kernel, so that it will be very fast, unlike the virtual machine. Unlike the virtual machine, the VM Windows. So here is the container with the HarmonyOS kernel using. So it's just like an app, So it's very fast. Now I'm trying to download the NetEasy, the music player, to demonstrate. I'm using the HarmonyOS container to run the Android APK. So you can download the APK to install by yourself, or you can just download on the 卓一通 so you can see it very easily. To see all the apps available, you can download very. So now you can see the NetEasy, the music player, has been downloaded. So open it successfully. So it's running the Android app on the HarmonyOS kernel with this container, the Easy Upload or the 卓一通 so successfully. There are three OS means, right? It's very convenient.
有光版是什么意思？像这个要接屏幕，就是这种亮面的屏幕，有光屏切到平板是有没效果。
So you can move back to the HarmonyOS computer mode, and you can see now the CPU is displayed on the system. Configurations 24 gig and Huawei Kirin x90a for the CPU. Before, even my MateBook Pro doesn't show the CPU model, but now, right, they can show it because they are confident showing it, not worrying about the USA's sanction. So now I'm opening the VM, so we can use the VM 改代式 to use the VM to run the Windows and run the Windows applications, apps, something. So there are three OS. Now the Huawei won't care about the US sanction, so they can proudly to show the CPU model and the GPU model without any hesitation. And also they have the 5G, so they can show the 5G. They have the 5G chip and antenna, so they can show the 5G, 5.5G. So they show the 5A on the Mate 80 Pro, the phone. So now you can see back and forth computer mode and tablet mode. So very convenient to use this kind of pad or two-in-one tablet computer. Yes, this is very good.
买的时候就可以，买的时候是8999。
So here is the Kirin 9020, 9030, 9030 Pro for the CPU. Now they proudly showed it. Won't hide the CPU model, and this is the Mate 80 Pro Max. So it's the bigger than the Mate 80 Pro, and the material is very solid, very great high-end design. It's very light. It's two circles means the 8 because it's the 80, so it's showing the 8 letter out. There is Joryi tone so that you can run the Android app, and easy abroad you can also run the WhatsApp for Hong Kong people using the American app or the foreign apps, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever you can use it under the container. They have the container running on the HarmonyOS kernel, so that it's very fast, unlike VM and the virtual machine. It's very fast, stable, so it's kirin 9030 Pro. You can see the CPU model. It's very great, 16 GB RAM, so fast. It's not a VM for the running the Android app. It's running under the container, so it's very fast. It's like maybe 5% just consumption for the the resource. I think it's very great already. Besides the native one, with the HarmonyOS, native HarmonyOS with the DUV multi-layer, so I think it's very good for the performance for this CPU. GPU also improve a lot.